Okay, hi guys, Gummy here. Okay, sorry about that, my computer froze. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing a mail time. So, yeah, it's Silly Girl Hawaii's birthday today. Should I start from the back? Well, this is a fail. Jeez. I don't really care what world I'm in. Sorry if you can't hear me very well. I have to be quiet. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. A minute. Okay, it loaded. Hey, but, oh yeah. Okay. You want me to elf tail armor? Yeah, she wants me to give her elf tail armor because it's her birthday. So, Kennedy. Thank you. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that. Well, I'm probably, just in case I redo this video, I'm gonna not keep that right now. Yeah, this is Cool Jammer 6789, and thank you for the sunglasses. Animal Jam does rock. Animal Lover 297. Thank you. Wait, you were a non-member when you sent this to me. Okay. Heart Locket. Thank you, Alexis0322. Cool Jammers. Huh? Thanks. Wolf Paws Brook. Yeah, you're nice. I thought this was a beta tiara, but it wasn't, and I was like, So, Cold G. Thank you. Cold G. Dreamy Girl. Thanks. Airy Brewer. I know she's. These are beta. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thanks so much. Awesome 470103. Overflow. I don't think it's a beta game, but I'm gonna keep that. I keep everyone's gifts. Thank you, Kala299. Flames fan is so awesome. I love Flames fan. Okay, 1 minute. Thanks so much. Oh my gosh. Kala299. Thanks. I'm gonna have to hurry. Yeah, Flames fan again. Really Blackboard. Thank you. I'm gonna do till I get to 90. Woofers on. Thank you for the payment, Fluffy. Thanks. Cutie kitty kitten. Thank you. Thank you. Those are out of stock, and I like them. Cena, thank you for the round glasses. Thank you for the sword. Bird poop. Thank you. Cat love. Thank you. Ever. Thank you for the band-aid. I needed one of those. No, I'm kidding. Angel Wings, thank you. Okay, this is my last gift, so hopefully it will be a good kickoff. Winter School Helmet, thank you so much, everyone. I will do another one later. I'll do another one later. But now, I really have to go somewhere. So, yeah. Bye-bye.